The spread operator. Creating an object or array in JavaScript is easy when using the literal syntax. But what happens if you want to combine two objects or two arrays together? Let's imagine we have two objects that we retrieve from two different API calls. Notice how they both have some different properties, but they share a property of third. Our goal is to combine them into a new object called full. One way to do that is with the object assign method. This method takes a new object and then it will combine one or more objects into it, with the last argument taking the highest priority. So in this case, it would create a new object where the third property is D because that's the last object passed into the method. That works, but there's actually a more concise way to write this code you'll often see in the real world, using the spread operator. With spread, we start with an object literal, then we use 3 dots in front of the objects that we want to merge into it. This also creates a new object with the two previous objects merged together. We could also write this code by taking object 1 and merging it directly into object 2 when we define it. Just keep in mind that the position of object 1 matters. If it's used at the top, any properties that come after it that are the same will be overridden. If it comes at the end, it will take the higher priority and override any properties that come before it. The spread syntax is very powerful, but looks kind of weird when you first encounter it. Whenever you see these 3 dots in an object or array, just remember that you're merging two objects together.